This video is going to be a quick, simple one on how to add observations to PowerTeacher Pro so that you can have a record of things that you have seen, things that you want to document as far as your interactions with a student, minor disciplinary infractions, things of that nature, so that down the road, should there be a question about, well, when did this happen or whatnot, you've got a great resource to do this. It's a really quick, simple thing to do. PowerTeacher Pro, I've got the class open I wanted to take part in. That's going to be the hardest part. Make sure you're in the right class period. After that, hit your plus sign and hit observation. Then you're going to have the observation window come up. Create your observation title like phone went off in class. You will take and select your student, and I'm not going to do that drop down because I don't want to list all my kids that I got in that class going. You're going to select the location, which apparently is a required thing because it's got the asterisk by it, and then you're going to put in your observation. So your class was and turn into this here. And of course you do want to spell check it and hit your save button. And after that, it's going to go down as an observation that you saw so that you can refer back to it down the road. Now, I'm going to cancel that because I'm not actually making that observation. And I'm going to say, okay, well, what if I want to take and actually see what observations I've put in? For that, all you have to do is click on Students. From there, you're going to click on Observations, and you'll be able to filter down through all the observations you've put in so you can track down to a specific student to see what kind of observations you have for that student in that class. I hope this is helpful. Let me know if you have any questions.